We've been following a story for months out of Ursuline High School, and now there's a major development.
A federal civil rights lawsuit has been filed against the school, its administrators, football coaches, and several students.
It all centers on hazing and assault allegations during a football team trip earlier this summer. And we want to warn you, some viewers may find the details disturbing. A 200-page lawsuit claims a student athlete was violently hazed and sexually assaulted during a 9-day trip with the Ursuline High School football team back in June. The complaint names Principal Matthew Sammartino, Assistant Principal Margaret Demore, coaches Dan Reardon, Tim McGlynn, and Christian Serenadis, and several players as well as their parents.
Coaches and administrators and students and players need to get the message. Hazing is criminal. And when you add and layer onto that assault, battery, sexual assault, disseminating child porn, disseminating somebody's intimate images, you're talking about serious misconduct that violates both federal and state law.
The suit alleges that several football players engaged in criminal activity, including hazing, physical and sexual abuse, kidnapping, production and dissemination of child pornography, and theft, all of which the 3 football coaches who attended the trip knew before, during, and after the incidents. It alleges players held the victim down, stripped him, and assaulted him, while other students recorded video and posted it to a team Snapchat group chat. Those videos, according to the lawsuit, were later shared with other students and members of the community. The suit also alleges another assault occurred later during the same trip. It claims coaches dismissed players' concerns as, quote, just boys being boys, and accuses administrators of failing to investigate or discipline anyone involved. The lawsuit further accuses Ursuline of attempting to cover up allegations, claiming school leaders deleted posts from the school's social media accounts and warned players that the football season was in jeopardy and to not say anything about what occurred. Additionally, the complaint points to a pattern of misconduct by 2 Ursuline coaches. It alleges the school was aware of prior controversies involving both men before hiring them, but failed to conduct adequate background checks.
You're talking about serious misconduct that violates both federal and state law. At its most fundamental, this is a violation of the Civil Rights Act, Title IX, which prohibits sex discrimination and sexual harassment. So I don't know why or how a culture could develop of the type of culture being alleged in this suit, but it does appear that there is a very serious problem at Ursuline High School, and our clients are determined to hold everyone accountable.
The Youngstown Diocese said in a statement, quote, we've just received the complaint today. We're reviewing it with our own legal counsel, and they say they have no further comment at this time. As far as the criminal investigation being done by Youngstown police, that's still ongoing.